All right, good Monday morning. I want to hop on here to explain why I called the last two trades that I called. All right. So we'll start with the current trade that I called GBPCAD. If you guys recall, we talked about this trade this weekend. I was looking for the trade to come into this imbalance and give us a change of character. And once I get the change of character and a break of structure, I would call the trade. As you can see, the trade came into our area of interest. I had an alert set at this line, and you can see we pushed halfway through the imbalance, consequent encroachment. We turned and we came down. We broke this level of structure, and then eventually broke this level of structure, and then broke the 15-minute, probably the 15-minute level of structure. I do expect price to pull back to fill this imbalance, maybe even this imbalance, where you could take an entry if you didn't already take your entry. And then I expect price to start pushing down. Now, we want to make sure that we collect our 100 pips. This trade is going to go a lot further than 100 pips. So about 174-ish, you know. Depending on when you got in the trade, just make sure you get your 100 pips out of it. I anticipate this trade lasting for a day or two, right? Probably giving us the pip count we need in the next couple of days. All right, let's check out the trade that did not go our way last night. Okay, it was the GBP USD trade. The market gapped down, right? It had broke structure here. It wicked it. It came back up to our area of interest and price broke down, right? So I called the sell trade, and this sell trade had about an 8 pip stop loss. Right. I told you to put your stop loss. I don't know. It was 8 pips for me. Um, so I lost those 8 pips, and you guys would have lost the same 8 pips. I think this trade has officially turned to start burning as well. But, I call it the GC trade. So the reason why I call this trade, I just want everybody to see, was this break right here. The market gap down. Came back up and filled the gap, and it started pushing back down. The trade was called, you win some, you lose some. Um, it was a negligible amount of pips. So that's why I didn't really worry about it. But just so you know and you understand why the trade was called, that was definitely the reason, even though now you have another chalk in your area of interest. So if you would have, or if the GC trade wasn't available, I would have definitely recalled this sell trade. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, because these concepts are the exact concepts that we're going to continue to trade, right? These are smart money concepts. My entry for trades, or my method of calling trades, is when you get your break of structure and then your chalk in your area of interest, okay? When you get that chalk, which is a change of character, that's price coming down, breaking structure. All right, I do expect it to trade back up into that level to continue selling down. So if you have problems or you have issues or you can't see it, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll see if I can help you see the same things that I'm seeing. All right, y'all have a good day.